also, whenever we went to the office, the Komeda is closed.
Now 6 months gone.
ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर येतात आता काय घेऊन पाहतो मसाने त्यांना आता जी कुठे वाण कितलं काय मॅडम म्हणून बंद कर फ्लॅश बंद कर
कैमरा भी
Yeah. It says the first committee has been elected and then it cannot be unless it is substituted. What do you have to say?
Who is saying this?
According as the Act, Community Act.
For that, I have a letter. Administrator itself says there is no committee, neither appointed. That is what you are saying is right. That administrator should appoint. But till date, my point is he has not taken any action and he has not appointed anybody. But I would like to bring this to in front of full Goa. That is our Gaonkar. How our land and communities are being looted by these government officials themselves. If administration is not involved, he would have directly issued a letter. But for so long keeping these letters under his table, now today he says, I will need more time. So let people also know, our Gaonkar from Goa, let them know how these people are functioning, government authorities are functioning. Even I would like to, that Honorable Minister Jennifer, to see into this matter, what is going on. Because she says she's doing a well job, I heard on the papers. I would like to give a message to her, take immediate action, because this Komunidad comes under her. Studied a matter, your own clerk is saying there is already committee. I have written on the complaint.
I have not, that's what I told them. Yes, before me.
Yeah, but whenever we went to the Komunidad, boys, parents, ask the Gaonkar, these are all Gaonkar. They are saying this is a, your own clerk is saying this is a committee.
I must read the matter according to the active before me.
Okay.
Okay, after you put up with whatever the duty is there, yes, and then according I will forward. Yes, so far he has not been forwarded to me. It is under his hand. So once it comes to me, I will send it to the collector.
But have you
No, that's what I don't know.
you must call the clerk and confront in front of all the people.
because of due to no quorum election झालं ओके त्यांना मागे ते सांगलेले की quorum ज्यांना हा होईल
कोणी बसला तरी he is administrator.
But what he has,
Nobody can say I was not there and I claim. But what are going on sending
what
letters?
he has told me, that I don't know.
See, we have asked the date for the election. We have not declared.
And at present the Komunidad is functioning illegally. At least you send a notice. You are not doing anything. You are not even
They
sending
widen the
anything.
road on whose permission without a
They have given plots.
Inquire in the matter.
Sir, they have given plots even. NOCs have been given.
Then how?
The managing meeting has been taken. How bypassing you? Bypassing you. And your clerk is there involved in that. We were all there for the meeting. They are not the committee. Their own letter says there is no committee to your previous administrator.
Here it is clearly there.
Clearly mentioned. सगळे खाण कारभार केले. This is the way how it is functioning.
आमका मेवतेले गांवकार
आणि त्यावेळेला ते
लास्टोलचे आहात लास्टोलचे आहात
त्यावेळेला ते आमका
हा सगळे
सगळे भाड्यात केला सगळे गाड्यांक भाड्यात केला आणि ते
आम्ही गांवकार आधी किती करपाचे
आमच्या पे आता 2 लेटरी झालं इलेक्शनाचं. एक दिल्ली 18/3/2020 आणि दुसरी दिल्ली सगळ्यांनी सायनी मारून देर इज नो कमिटी आणि इलिगली फंक्शन जाता आणि मागीर दिल्ली 4/11/2020 सेकंड रिमाइंडर. नो रिप्लाय. पण हाचेर एक लेटर आहा आमचे सेम की एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरान हाका फॉरवर्ड केल्या आमच्या रिप्रेझेंटेशनार कलेक्टराक की तूं सांगचें कितें करपाचें पळय तें ते दिसा पर्सनल येवन मेळ्ळो ताणें म्हणलें तुका 2 दिसांनी आपूण आन्सर दिता आजुनूय रिप्लाय ना टायमींग ना टायमींग कितें एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराचो टायमींग कितें ऑफिसाक आन्सरूय ना फोन मारून तरी विचारूं नका तुम्ही See, we are gathered here on behalf of the Comunidad of Boa Esperanza Aldona. We, along with all the Gaonkar, since last I think 6-7 years, there is no committee in the Comunidad. And whenever we make representation to the administrator, it's given a blind eye. First representation was made on 18/3/2020. No reply. Second, we made on 4/11/2020. No reply. In the meanwhile, the administrator sends a letter bypassing us, not giving any reply to our letter, saying that there is no committee. There is no committee for Boa Esperanza. And when we come here, when I came here, the clerk says whenever we go to the Comunidad, there is a committee. And whoever sits on the chair, they are the committee. Clerk himself admits. And now when we ask the administrator, he is saying, I need time. Time to call the clerk. I don't know how long he needs and how many years he needs. These are now 7 years past, there is no committee. He is not nobody is taking action, and there are plots have been made in our Comunidad, and they have been sold illegally, and they say this is a committee, and the clerk itself is involved in all this. Now when we came with the Gaonkar, we gathered here to ask him, what are you going to do with this? He cannot give proper answers to us. He is saying we need time, I'll have to come, I'll have to inspect. Now he came to a conclusion that tomorrow he has called 2-3 people, the Gaonkar, and he is telling that he is going to inspect along with the
Boa Esperanza Aldona, Comunidad. They said that the election which was declared on 6/1/2019 will not be taken up.
सर मात सोडलं नुला
The election of Boa Esperanza de Aldona, Comunidad, which was declared on 6/1/2019 will not be done because of no quorum. So they are demanding for the fresh election or appointment of their committee. This is the issue.
तुम्ही किती सांगलं
Now I was the because this is long prior to my tenure.
ओके
I joined here in month of June, and because of that pandemic, issue is pending, I think. So my predecessor has sent one letter to the collector in this regard. So now I have to take instruction from the collector whether to hold election or any decision. I will notify them. But prior to that, I will, as far as their grievances are concerned, I will go for inspection accordingly after taking with acting secretary, and I will decide the issue.
सर तुमचे नाव किती
माझे नाव उल्हास कदम.
Sir, according to Comunidad law, can the previous committee continue if the elections are not held?
No, that is because unless and until the election is held or they are elected or they are appointed by the government as per the code of Comunidad.
So what?
So I have to study the matter because I don't know exactly what happened there.
You have the signature also.
not only this date, they are aware that there is no committee since the election is not held.
See, everything
We are not
is given
supposed to
in
inform,
our
still we are going on
So
informing.
you give a date for the election. If not a quorum is over here, we are having the election here only.
It is already forwarded, sir, before.
Therefore, I don't have
होय, आम्ही आमची कमिटी घेऊन येईल हांगासर आम्ही हांगासर इलेक्शन करता तुमच्या हांगा हेज्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही आपला हांगासर कमिटी ना म्हणून आम्ही कमिटी फॉर्म करता
tomorrow, once you come, I will just study in the matter and immediately I will tell you.
गाडी करून यांच्या आणला तर.
लोकांनी आम्ही पहिला ठिकाणी
माझ्या बापायचं जागोवर
आता टाइम घ्या मग
आमच्या वाटेवर
आम्ही पै काम तो
बरोबर आहे. बोलले कन्स्ट्रक्शनचे बरोबर आहे.
आमचं जागा आम्ही पै
Tomorrow you come in tomorrow you come.
You want dollars to come again?
No. I am telling you because he came.
Okay.
So we'll accordingly after consultation with
Acting secretary.
we'll take a course. We'll first go for inspection.
Okay.
And accordingly we'll
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Huh?
And what about the
Inspection.
We want the election as soon as
I
possible.
will call the
Clerk, acting clerk.
acting clerk.
ऑफिसांना काही 8 महिने आता
No, we
येईल
have
ना.
to issue. No?
तो येईल ना.
and how you will form this committee, the new
आम्ही आम्ही फोन करतो आम्ही
No, let him come inspect
Yes.
what is the fact because he is saying he is new. Let him say, let him see, let him study also
Yes.
that there is no committee and let him give an order.
Yeah. All right. So this has to be done very fast.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I called him. So accordingly we will decide the course of the action.
Yeah.
Yes.
And no time waste should be done. Because we are wasting time and something
आम्ही पण किती सिलेक्ट केलं तीच कमिटी
ठीक कमी झाली आम्ही त्याला बोलवली बसली
आता
पहिले तुमची बोलवली आमच्या नाव काय
कमिटी पण केलं की नाव आमच्या